We are solving question from GATE 2008 electronics branch. So it says that we are given a circuit and this is an ideal op amp. So we are given a circuit with an ideal op amp. Now this is a diode which is given to us. This is the input voltage Vi, this is the output voltage V0. The diode voltage is V. Okay, so it says that the IV characteristics of diode is described by the relation I equal to I naught e to the power V upon Vt minus 1. So obviously we know this is the formula for the IV characteristics of the diode, where Vt is your thermal voltage is 25 millivolt and I naught is your reverse saturation current, it is given as 1 microampere, and V is the voltage across the diode. So this is given to us. Now it says for input voltage Vi equal to minus 1 volt. So input voltage Vi is given to us as minus 1 volt. So I am writing here minus 1 volt. So we have to find the value of the output voltage. So it is obviously a very easy question. We are given the input voltage, we are given the equation for the diode current, and we have to find the output voltage. So by virtual ground concept, this voltage is 0 volt, so this voltage will also be 0 volt. Okay, so the current will flow from here to here, from higher potential to lower potential. So this will be the direction of current flow. So the value of current will be equal to I will be equal to 0 minus V in upon 100k. So this is equal to 1 upon 10 to power 5. Because V in is minus 1, so if you put minus 1 here, you get 1. So we can take it as 10 microampere. So this current I is equal to 10 microampere. Obviously this current will also flow in this branch because the current going inside the diode is 0, because the input resistance of the diode of the ideal the input resistance of the ideal op amp is infinite. So there will be no current going inside the op amp. So the current will flow from here, then it will come to this, then it will go here. No current will flow inside the op amp. So we have found out this current to be 10 microampere. So this current is 10 microampere. Now we are given the equation for the diode voltage. So we can put that here. So 10, because same current 10 microampere is also flowing in the diode. So this is also 10 microampere. So writing the equation for diode current, 10 microampere, I naught we are given as 1 microampere equal to 1 microampere e to the power V upon Vt minus 1. Okay, e to the power V upon Vt minus 1. So if you solve it, this microampere and microampere will get cancelled. So we get e to the power V upon Vt equal to 11, or V equal to V upon Vt equal to ln of 11, or V equal to Vt, and value of Vt is given as 25 millivolt. 25 millivolt into ln of 11, natural logarithm of 11. So if you solve it, you will get the answer as V. V is the diode voltage. V is the diode voltage. So the diode voltage is equal to 0.06 volt. This V is equal to 0.06 volts. Okay, now we can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now we can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So from here to here we can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So we get minus of V naught plus I into 4k plus, because this will also be, this is negative positive, this is also negative positive. So this will be equal to I into 4k plus the diode voltage V and this is already 0 volt, so equal to 0. So if you put here I equal to this I equal to 10 microampere, so microampere and 4 kilo ohm, so this will be equal to V naught will be equal to 10 microampere into 4 kilo ohm, so that will be equal to 0.04 plus 0.06, so this will be equal to 0.1 volt. So the value of the output voltage is 0.1 volt. The value of the output voltage is 0.1 volt. So in this way we can easily solve this question. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comment box. Also, please share your feedback and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.